just test fitting, making sure this new prototype, we change a little bit dimension on it, make sure it still fits the way it should, nothing rubbing, touching.
Does it fit any better than the older one? Or?
Yeah, it's supposed to, because that's like first two version prototype. This is what we call a V3, the third version. Because initially we don't have SEMA data, which is the Ford OEM data. So what we do is we use a 3D scanner. The 3D scanner is nice, but when you do a pretty complicated engine-based scan, nothing is going to be exactly accurate like OEM CAD data. So what happens, we do the best we can. With scan data, we're building a lot of adjustment. But this is a unique case because you see how tight the intercooler pipes fit with the intake pipe, where this is part of the intake pipe. Because of how tight the fitment is, and the fact that this two piping have 5 mounting points. You got one here, one here, one here, one here. You're gonna fit in here. So with this many mounting points with not a whole lot of adjustment, we want to make sure that the fitment is good. Because you have as close as maybe 2 mil clearance to the tightest area, like right beneath the coupler, right here. And from vehicle to vehicle, you have a variance. So on another Bronco, same exact model, same exact vehicle, this might touch. This is the last and final check of this particular product. This is not done, and I'm going to go back and update my drawing, my model, and we are going into production with this unit. We are doing something similar to the stock pipe, but we are terminating it right here. And we are using like short coupler to connect to our, we call this like intake manifold. This is a Y, this is like a Y pipe. This have another end that goes into the other turbo. Mango is really large internal flow. So this pipe, because of how tight the fitment is, we wasn't able to make it a whole lot wider, but we were able to go this way. So if you cut it in half, it's kind of like a oblong shaped profile, but we were getting more flow area by just making this pipe profile a little bit taller.